Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to see the algorithm right away. First, clear or pause watch history to stop bad signals, then deliberately watch and engage with shorts you want more of. Once done, like, dislike, and save clips. These explicit actions tell YouTube what to recommend. Also, spend a few minutes searching and watching 3-5 relevant shorts so the system gets immediate context. Do this now. Don't wait for perfect content. Small, consistent signals change recommendations fast. Next, shape how you watch. Watch preferred shorts to completion and rewatch the best ones. Watch time is a powerful signal. Make sure to comment and share the videos you like because engagement boosts similar recommendations. Meanwhile, follow creators and subscribe to niche channels so YouTube groups content. Also use consistent tags, captions, and clear niche labels when you post. That helps the system classify you. Over time, these repeated behaviors refine the feed. Be intentional. Finally, refine and monitor. Post a few shorts to test how the feed responds and watch 7 14-day analytics for retention and impressions so you know what works. Once you spot patterns, double down on formats that keep viewers watching. If recommendations still miss the mark, troubleshoot by clearing watch history, removing specific videos, or using incognito to reset short-term signals. This forces a fresh start. Keep experimenting. Small, consistent changes compound into a much better shorts feed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.